And here we go, we have a basic once again, got knocked out there. Oh my goodness, by the C team here right now. We can see the score dito siya, 8-4 tayo in favor of the A7 team here right now. We have here Shiam got knocked out there, but a sick dito siya for the A7 team here right now. We have here the score dito talaga siya, balik tara dito siya kasi 15-8 tayo in favor of the C team here right now. Ooh, get knocked out there, but a Shiam very beautiful takedown there naman siya. But as you can see there, on their screen there Mashay can't on the move. They're trying to get a shot there Mashay against the C team here, but Happy Daddy got knocked out there by the sick of the A7 team here. And here we go, what a great headshot there by Kent dito Mashay, and Ara got a double kill there by that Mizel right now. And we can see Kent is on a triple kill here. Son got knocked out Mashay, and that's it Mashay. The new knockout, but Happy Daddy got knocked out there, but it can't beat a very great takedown there Mashay by the A7 team. Shout out to C, good luck. Thank you so much, Mabel, for the 35. And we are rotating Mashakoy for the CE team. And we are sick is audible right now here, Mashakoy, for the A7 team. And we ever can't get us on the move using the beautiful send them. Oh, she got this game 2 round 1 for tonight. As you can see on our screen there's we have seen Nier is on the right now here Masha. Grabe the power slide there by it, but knocked out there by Nier of the C team. And we can see here Masha. Oh my goodness, the central gun has been deployed there by Nier, and that's a triple kill there by Nier dito Masha of the CE team here for tonight. Down the ladder. Ladder is on the move there on that beautiful sniper, but hit down there by their opponent right now. But the ball got knocked out there by the Savvy using that beautiful Sparrow gameplay right now. Remember Nier is on the move there, trying to get a shot there Mashako using that pentakill talaga tayo din Mashako. Fury kill right now. We ever calling that team won the battle here Mashako using that M13. And here we go, we can see there Mashako. Oh, Nier got knocked out there, but it off the Kalina team and reloading is gonna be the Mashako. Oh my goodness. Trying to defuse the bomb right now, and I think that's a defusal there. Oh, James got knocked out there by Nier dito Mashako. Grabe yun, James got knocked out there, Nier. Oh my goodness. Necro. Ooh, Stelix and General get knocked out of the bunt, and that's a double kill there by the bunt of the KLD team. 149, and that's it Mashaka. That's the end of the domination round here. 150 over 1 of the LA team here right now. 54 over 41 tayo Mashaka. Medyo nagkadikit-dikit talaga tayo dito nga laban na natin dito Mashaka para tayong rugby dito for this round 1. Game 3 tayo dito Mashaka. Alright? Sa mga nalilate dyan Mashaka, no? Sa mga nalilate dyan, right? Game 3 na tayo dito. This is the last matchup natin dito for tonight, and we have their code. Code is out of right now here Mashaka. And we see Predator Missile has been used there by Wildcat of the Mafia team. And we're Cyan is a move card. He's got knocked out there by the B of the LA team here right now, and reloaded the CBR4. Cyan is a move and has been hit in favor of a 1-point lead there by the Mafias. Wildcat of the Mafia 2v1 situation right now. We have our team dito Mashakoy using this beautiful sniper. And we have our Cyan trying to plant the bomb here right now, and I think it's gonna be the oh my goodness, with the team dito Mashaka trying to get a shot, but team got knocked out there. But nasa taas ang ating KRM dito. And here we go. Oh, Bitoy got knocked out there by the BLE team here. And we can see Bitoy is on the move, but now he got knocked out there by the Cyan of the Mafia team here right now Mashaka. Grab the LE team, and Lash got knocked out there by the Wildcat dito Mashaka. This is a 3v2 situation right now. This is a fast-paced round here. Dito Mashaka bumabaliktad, and we have a cold. Cyan got knocked out there by the team of the LE team here right now. Nag-iisa na talaga. 1v1 situation right now dito Mashaka. Going solo here at nag-iisa ang ating dalawang team na to. And we can see their Bitoy got knocked out there by the team of the LA team here right now Mashaka.